Welcome to Dereeve Trade, your trusted destination for expertly built Dereeve trading bots designed for consistent performance. Discover powerful automated strategies, activate your preferred bot in minutes, and let it trade for you, so you can pursue opportunities without spending hours in front of the charts. Now, for all new users who don't have an account on our website, simply click this button, the Sign Up button. This will take you to a page to fill in your details and then link your Deriv account. Now, if you have an account on our website, you simply click the Sign In button, which will take you to enter your email and your password, which, after logging in, takes you to the dashboard page. Now, this is the dashboard page interface where you have everything. It is like an intersection point that redirects you to where you want. Like now we have this, it shows the total number of active traders using our services currently. We have the logout button, and we also have this where it is your Deriv account balance after you link your Deriv account with the Dereeve Trade site. And this is the same as this. In this section, we have account management, bots, copy trading, and support. It is just a shortcut to redirect you. Here we also have Deriv charts, where you can read the charts of the intended market. Below it, we also have the list of available bots. Currently, we have 3 bots, and more are coming. We will be having the free bots and the premium bots. So to purchase your bot, simply click the buy button, and this will trigger this alert. So you can pay to either of these wallet addresses. The bot has the exact amount, but upon clicking, you will see it has this amount. This is for security purposes. Every user on our site has their own amount to pay, so that when you verify, it will unlock. So once you copied the wallet address, you can send it from your Deriv or from any crypto app. You will receive the transaction ID after making payment, where you will take that transaction ID and paste it here and click the button Verify. Our system will verify your transaction from the ID you paste. If it is successful, it will automatically unlock.